Good afternoon, welcome to Happy Go Lucky. It's a red hot sunny afternoon. I've got another power washer video for you. This time it's a little Bosch EasyAquatak 110. This one is a 330 litre 110 bar. Mighty little thing. It's far better than the Nilfisk. It's got an all metal pump. The worst part about it is this braided cable. This is really a bit of tat, to be honest with you. If you were to bend this, it's going to bend right in half. It's no good. You want an aftermarket hose for it. It's got a 5 metre, very decent electric cable. Like I say, it's got an all metal pump in it, a very decent pump. The trigger part, this part, is not very good quality. I just throw those away. Put yourself a trigger gun on it, and then you really got yourself a decent pressure washer for very little money. You can pick these up on eBay for like £50. This is going to go on eBay for £50, including this trigger gun. I'm going to demonstrate this now and just show what you can get for £50, and it's, I think, a damn good pressure washer. It's very economical. I use this sort of thing for, I've set this up for using fat newt with this snow foam gun, because it's going to be really economical with using the fat newt for the PIR, because it's going to use a third of the product compared to my Arva because of the throughput. That uses 7 litres of throughput, where my Arva uses over 18 litres. Anyway, let's get down and just demonstrate how this works. You can hear it's pressurised and it's not leaked at all in all the while we've been talking. It's not leaked once. Okay, let's do some pressure. Look how far it goes with the pressure. That's decent. That's a decent little machine, that. This is the one that most people will be using on the car, the 40. And this particular one, it's got the nozzle on this is a little bit too big. This is a 40 size nozzle, where you'd be using a 30 for that machine. So this is actually a little bit too big for it. But just watch how well it works. Just demonstrated as a snow foam cannon. I don't think you can complain about that. It's a really good machine, isn't it? I don't think you need to spend a lot of money on the machine. So, you know, that just demonstrates to really you don't have to spend a fortune to get yourself a machine to wash your car properly. That's got plenty of throughput. It's got enough power. And the nice thing about it, it's as light as a feather. And it will last. Like I say, it's got a proper metal pump, that has. Proper metal pump. And it's very, very nice to take to pieces. Just look at this. Just a second, it's just working it out. I'll depressurise it. Look at that. Isn't it great? I mean, that's a suitcase, isn't it? Really nice thing, isn't it? And then put it back together, look, just clip that in. Oops. That's the problem, pressurising the hose pipe. Ready to go. That's not a bad pressure washer, is it, that? So, here we go. Ready to go. Yep, this machine's actually going to be used, hopefully tomorrow, if the weather cools down. It's going to be used with Fat Newt. I'm going to use it with this snow foam cannon to do the Fat Newt all over my neighbour's car, because he's got a particularly filthy Golf that we've asked him to leave so that we can do a proper clean on it with the snow foam, using that mode of cleaning. The reason being, we'll use an awful lot less product using that and this, because of the, like I say, the PIR of that, the throughput is so less using that because of the less litres per hour compared to a higher power pressure washer. If you use like a 600 litres per hour like my Arva, you're going to use a much higher PIR. So ideally, if you're going to be using a high, an expensive product and you've got more than one pressure washer, use your Nozzle and use your cheap pressure washer or your lower power pressure washer. There's no point in throwing expensive products away, because you're going to get exactly the same amount of product over your car and do exactly the same job and not waste your product, because I don't want to waste the Fat Newt. I've got a lot of testing I want to do with it, so instead of putting it through the Arva and using 3 times the amount, because it's a 600 litres an hour and mine puts over 18 litres through, where this one uses just over 7 litres, working out the PIR. So there we go. Hopefully that'll help you a lot and save you some money as well. So if you've got more than one pressure washer and you've got some expensive snow foam, use your lower power pressure washer and rejet your snow foam gun so that you use your lower PIR, and then you can save yourself a good amount of money and you still do the same job. Okay, hope this helps you. So thumbs up, subscribe, have yourself a lovely day. Thank you for looking. Bye for now.